Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Airbrush Badger is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly airbrush kits available on the market today, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned artists looking to elevate their creative projects. Whether you're into model painting, custom apparel, cake decorating, or fine art, this airbrush offers a remarkable balance of performance, durability, and ease of use, ensuring a smooth and consistent spray pattern for a professional finish every time. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it a joy to handle, reducing fatigue during long creative sessions and allowing for precise application of various mediums. Number 5. Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro Airbrush Kit. Discover the Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro. This versatile tool is designed for artists of all levels, from beginners to professionals. It features a precision dual-action gravity feed system with 3 nozzle set sizes for incredible detail. You can achieve anything from fine lines to broad strokes with ease. Whether you're working on hobbies, crafts, cake decorating, or fine art, this airbrush adapts to your needs. It's compatible with most paint spray media. Enjoy easy trigger adjustment and paint flow control with the fluid control knob. The cutaway handle also allows for quick and simple cleaning. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, including a quick disconnect coupler with an air flow control valve. Master Airbrush is an industry leader, and this product is backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Buy with confidence from a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. What we like. This airbrush offers incredible versatility with multiple nozzle sizes for different spray patterns. Its cutaway handle allows for easy cleaning, ensuring smooth operation. If you are looking for an all-around performer for various projects, from fine details to broader coverage, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The airbrush is easy to assemble and use. It comes with a variety of nozzle sizes for different applications. The build quality is excellent, and it feels durable. Number 4. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Airbrush Compressor Kit. Experience consistent air pressure with its 3-liter storage tank, ensuring zero pulsation for a smooth and uninterrupted creative process. Designed with dual cooling fans for longer run times, it also features a pressure regulator and moisture filter for optimal control over your spray. This gravity feed airbrush offers versatility with 3 nozzle sizes, allowing for fine lines to wider patterns with ease. Included are essential accessories like a braided air hose, a dual airbrush holder, and helpful guides to get you started quickly. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from detailed models and crafts to body art and cake decorating. It works with most paint media. What we like. This kit comes with a powerful compressor featuring a tank for consistent air pressure and dual cooling fans for extended use. The integrated moisture trap ensures clean, dry air. If you need reliable, continuous airflow for longer sessions and want to avoid moisture issues, this is the system for you. What people say. The compressor works very well. It's quiet and gets the job done. It's fairly quiet. I airbrush in a garage but no one inside is able to hear it. When people say you can hold a conversation over the sound of it, they are speaking the truth. The compressor is awesome, fairly quiet and keep up just fine with my air use. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a comprehensive airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. This kit provides everything you need to get started. The powerful 15 HP compressor features dual cooling fans, ensuring it runs cooler for longer continuous use. It's built for superior performance and reliability. This kit includes 3 versatile airbrushes, a dual-action gravity feed model for fine detail, another dual-action gravity feed for general use, and a single-action siphon feed for larger coverage. Perfect for hobbies, crafts, temporary tattoos, cake decorating, fine art, and nail art. These airbrushes work excellently with most paints and airbrushing applications. You'll also receive a quick start guide, access to an online resource center, a color mixing wheel, and a cleaning brush set. Everything is included for a seamless experience. Trust in a brand dedicated to your satisfaction. We ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on your art. What we like. This comprehensive package includes 3 different airbrushes, catering to various needs, alongside a robust dual-fan compressor for cooler, longer operation. It even comes with a color mixing wheel to help you achieve the perfect use. If you want a complete setup with multiple airbrush options and accessories for creative color work, this kit is ideal. What people say. The airflow is consistent and stable, and I especially appreciate the built-in pressure gauge, which makes it much easier to control and adjust settings accurately. I also like the added functionality of having 3 different airbrushes included, which provides a lot of versatility for different projects. It comes with a ton of accessories for any project that you can imagine. I highly recommend this airbrush setup. Number 2. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan System. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, a complete airbrushing system designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Experience superior performance and versatility for all your artistic needs. This system features a robust 1.5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans, ensuring extended continuous operation without overheating. It's built to keep up with your most demanding projects. It comes with 3 of our best-selling airbrushes, including gravity feed models with precise 0.2mm and 0.3mm tips, and a versatile single-action siphon feed with a 0.8mm tip. This variety allows for a wide range of applications. From hobbies and crafts to intricate art and cake decorating, these airbrushes excel in almost any airbrushing task. They are compatible with most types of paint media, offering endless possibilities. Included is a quick start guide and access to our resource center to help you get started. Plus, buy with confidence knowing we are dedicated to your satisfaction. This comprehensive kit includes an airbrush holder for 2 airbrushes, making your workflow more efficient. It provides everything you need to start creating stunning artwork right away. What we like. This system provides 3 versatile airbrushes, including both gravity and siphon feed options, powered by a reliable dual-fan compressor. This allows for a wide range of applications and paint types. If you need flexibility in how you apply paint and want a compressor that won't overheat during long projects, this is an excellent option. What people say. The G22 and G25 airbrushes that came with this kit surprised me. The quality and heft feel good in my hand. The compressor can continue to be used as I get better and upgrade to a higher quality airbrush. The G22 brush is a great all-around brush. The paint cup holds enough paint to use it for a relatively larger application of a single color of paint, but it also has enough detail control to do some fairly nice detail work. Number 1. Master Airbrush S66 Pro 6-piece airbrush set. Introducing the Master Airbrush S66 Pro, a comprehensive 6-piece set designed for all your artistic needs. It provides multiple tools for continuous studio work, ensuring you always have the right airbrush ready. These airbrushes feature unique color-coded handles, making them easy to identify. The cutaway design also allows for quick and simple cleaning, so you can switch projects without interruption. Achieve intricate details with the precise 0.35mm tips included in this set. They are perfect for controlled work and general coverage, suitable for a wide range of artistic and hobby applications. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced artist, this set is for you. It works beautifully with most paint media, making it ideal for everything from miniature painting to larger artwork. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included storage case. This set is compatible with most common paint media, offering great flexibility for your creative projects. What we like. This set is unique with 6 dual-action siphon feed airbrushes, each with color-coded handles for easy identification and quick cleaning. It also includes a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. If you frequently switch between airbrushes or need multiple tools readily available for continuous work, this set offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency. What people say. It comes in a hard case, so your airbrushes don't get messed up when traveling to gigs. And they're good quality. Spray awesome, easy to clean. This is my second set of these and I still love them. I do airbrush body art, and have had no issues. I don't necessarily suggest them for fine detail art, but large coverage area and stencil work is good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.